Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we'll be taking a close look at the factory custom of the Storyteller's Mater, which is basically based on this Disney Store variant right here. There is some differences, but before we take a closer look at that, look at all these brand new Mater variations, which are pretty much, blue, that I will be comparing later on in this video. So yeah, I got to review this character quite quickly. So yeah, this is seen in the Storyteller's book, mainly known as Mater's bully, which is Bubba, who I didn't bring out today. But yeah, if I do add an image, I will add an image. But if not, then of course I won't. This Mater is available on AliExpress for the $3 to £5 to £10 range. Pretty cheap, pretty easy, and pretty, of course, easy to obtain. So yeah, let's get straight into the review now of this Mater. We can see he's got a nice expression, or the usual Mater expression, I should say. He's got the eyes, which of course are a nice green. He's got his mirrors there, as we can see zoomed in. One headlight, which is sort of correct. I guess he did lose it in this time period. We've got his engine, which is blue, which I believe should be, if I zoom in on this one, grey, so they did get that one kind of wrong. Yep, he's got the lights on the top there, as we can see. He's got the lights on the back. If I zoom out, we can see tow mater, towing and salvage, radiator springs. Okay, we'll focus on that. There we go. ×5 zoom. He's got a black rim at the front. Very nice. Pretty cool. Silver tow hook. Yellow wheel at the back. On the back, we've of course got the A113 license plate. So the other factory custom Mater that I reviewed, the monster truck one, had A13. So I can zoom in on that a little bit more. There you guys go. Yellow and black striped back. Got the rear lights. Pretty cool. Here is the other side. The only thing that is different to the other side is that he does have a blue rim, or blue wheel. And of course, here is the base. Of course, made in China. No markings whatsoever, because this is a factory custom, aka a fake. So yeah, the closest one that I could think of to this is the Rolling Bowling Mater, which was released in a few sets. The 2006 factory sealed set, the Rolling Bowling set, and of course a 6-pack, Lightning McQueen Mater, well, the Mater of course. It's got different coloured eyes, so I don't know why they gave that one different coloured eyes. And that Mater I did review recently is the first ever Disney Pixar Cars diecast variant, because Dirt Lightning McQueen doesn't really count. You can see the differences there. Silver tow hook to a black one. Looks pretty cool. I might have to cut this video soon, because my phone still does get extremely hot, but it still lasts way much longer. So there is that Mater. We have this Mater here, which is lenticular. There is another variant with a closing eyes, which I still need to get. We have the Bubba 2-pack Mater. You can see the colours in the eyes are slightly different. We have the regular release. We have the Disney 100 release. We have the metallic brand new Mater. We have the Racing Red Mater, which are, of course, they still have the hood, so they kind of count. We've got the Thailand brand new Mater. And of course, some colour changes. The purple, blue, brown. There is one coming out soon, or is probably already out, with Jeff Corvette. And of course, here is the Disney Store one. Can't forget to compare it against that. Like properly though. Zoom out a little bit more. On the side, this one has white rims. And of course, tow motor, towing and salvage, radiator springs. Ooh, zoomed out too far there. Wow. The back, A113. So they literally did basically copy the Disney Store one to the best they could. There is that. And of course we have the brand new Mater from the Disney Store, which is actually the only time they ever done it in 2020. I believe it is a pullback. Anyways guys, I hope you did enjoy today's video on this factory custom Mater right here, and basically all the other brand new Maters that I did show in this video. If you are new to the channel, Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, which is your favourite brand new Meta. If you got this far, comment colour changes Sheriff, just so I know you got this far into the video. Don't forget to follow my Instagram account at Disney Cars Collector UK, 200,000 followers and growing. Till the next video, which will be, of course, as usual, tomorrow. Peace, everybody.